Inday Chloe, San Jose, I appreciate your personality and talent, but this one sounds too liberated to the young ones, especially to the boys. And Chloe responded, isn't it parents' responsibility to guide their children to not think maliciously of others? Is so easy to blame and point fingers at women who dress in what they want and uncomfortable with, and yet so hard to address the real issue, which is boys, not real men, being a whole as pervert. As pervert. You know what? Chloe is really trying to disgust his boyfriend. Because if she really cares that Carlos is holding a very important title, he would not trigger the audience, the netizen. Chloe is just a very, very bad influence to the young ones. She is. She is really, because she doesn't want to change. She would always insist that she's doing right, that she is doing what she wants to do. So, okay lang sana kung gumawa ka ng mga ganyang kabulastugan if you are not a boyfriend of the gymnast. Pero kasi your boyfriend is holding a very important title, and this must be handled with care para yung sumunod na mga kabataan na gusto rin tahakin itong pag-gymnast or any kind of sports ay masundan nila yung magandang track, not the bad track, no bad record of a girlfriend of a gymnast. So why don't you just respect the Yulos family? Why don't you just respect your boyfriend? Because your boyfriend really holds an important role in the community and our country. You really want the limelight always. You want people to focus on you. You are afraid that someday you will not be talked about. I think you are just after the prices of Carlos Yulo, including the investments. Because if you really care the person, not the wealth, you would act as respectful lady as you would be. Okay lang sana kung ikaw lang kung hindi nadadamay ang titulo ng boyfriend mo. Kawawa naman si Carlos. Kawawa si Carlos kasi lalo mong ibinababa ang kanyang dignidad. You don't care the career of your boyfriend. Ang importante sa'yo is yung luho mo masunod, yung mga travels mo, but you don't care about what is tomorrow for Carlos Yulo. Kasi if you care, you will dress appropriately, not like this. Where you are right now, you have to be thankful because you are living in a very decent life, and it's because of Carlos. But we cannot see that you are helping Carlos. You're abusing the fame of Carlos Yulo. You're abusing that he is being praised by people because of his talent. Chloe, please help your boyfriend. We have setbacks, we have failure, but make it as a motivation to improve. You are giving yourself the permission to make mistake. I cannot even see that you have that character of humility. Because if you practice humility, you think about yourself less because you care others. You care your boyfriend and, you know, the family of your boyfriend. But it seems that you don't have this. Zero. We cannot see in you this kind of character. You're only acting that you are the best because you're maximizing more yourself. Hindi na nasisiyahan ang mga tao sa inyo. Sayang si Carlos, nadadamay dito sa mga acting mo na hindi kaya-aya. Sana ikaw na lang. Sana hindi na lang ikaw ang naging girlfriend ni Carlos. Dito rin si Carlos, hindi natin maintindihan bakit tinotolerate niya itong girlfriend niya na maging ganito. Ano ba talaga ang gusto niyang gawin sa buhay? Ang sirain ang career ni Carlos o tulungan niya si Carlos para sa next competition in 2028? Sayang naman yung mga pinaghirapan ng boyfriend mo at yung mga pinagbayaran ng mga taxes ng taong bayan. Kadismaya si Chloe San Jose being the girlfriend of the golden boy. Look at EJ and the girlfriend. Kaya lalo silang hinahangaan. Siguro dapat sa'yo i-deport. I-deport ka sa Australia para hindi mo i-acto yung mga ganyang klaseng gesture sa Pilipinas na nang-aasar ka ng mga kabataan. Ididepensa mo pa talaga na ang mga magulang ang bahala maggabay sa mga anak because of that nipple of yours that na nakikita ng mga kabataan. See how bad you are? You are really bad. You're a very bad influence. Sayang naman at nadamay pa yung boyfriend mo. Anyway, so dito lang muna tayo hanggang sa muli. Salamat sa inyong panonood. Bye for now.